Okay, so guys, we are in Delhi right now. So this is Red Fort, as you can see. So this is my trip of Delhi, Qutub Minar and Akshardham and other places. So I'll be showing you this. In Hindi, this is actually called Lal Killa. So let me just show you around, guys. Here there are many people, so don't mind about that. And these are the birds chirping, and we are going to the museum right now, as you can see. Okay, so we'll be at the museum and we'll see you. Okay, so this is India's first war of independence, the Sangrahalaya Museum. Okay, so guys, let's just go inside. Okay, let's see. So this is the entry. Okay, so guys, look, this is the historical area which is here. Okay, so look, this is the place. Okay, so these are the keys, and this is what happened actually in India. Let's go close and then we'll see. This is the Mughal flag, and this is the other stuff. And this is the people who were there earlier. Okay, so this is about the museum, and it's written in Hindi and English. So you can just pause the video and read this. And these are other stuff here and here. And these are some pictures. So now I'll be showing you here. So this place is about the things what like the history and all. So this is here. Okay, so
some weapons.
Yeah, these are the weapons. Okay, so those are also there. Some history stuff is there actually. So we are going in a line, and look at that. There are more like weapons they used to use that time. There used to be bows, there used to be spears and all. So this time, this was the thing what they used to have. And this is Shah Jahan's powder horns. Okay, so this is the stuff. These are the newspapers of 1857. And look at this also. Okay. So look at that. And these are other areas of the history type, like this. Okay, so I'll just go somewhere and show you guys. Okay, so guys, this is another floor, and this is the other history part which we are gonna read. Okay, and look here also. This is loot, plunder, and murder. So this is what actually happened earlier. So these are the small maps they used to make earlier. This is it, and this is the last battle of Lucknow. And these are some lakes, and these are dates of stuff, and this is a picture of what happened. So these are major places of battle in Awadh. So these are the leaders also, and these are the names of them. And these are the proclamations of Birji Squadron. You can read this. Officials of the revolutionary government of Awadh. And these are some other stuff over here. So this is this Lucknow. Lucknow used to be like this in the 1600s. So I think you can see from up there. And yeah, this is Lucknow in 1857. Okay, so let me show you the war all over Awadh. So this is it. Traitors who betrayed in this war and other stuff also. This is the picture. And this is the olden like a thing. You can touch it also. Feels like really old. So now let's move on to another place. This is a monitor about this. This is a small map actually. And this is people and all. So let me show you where we're gonna go next. So let's go there in some time. Yeah, so guys, this is another place. So look at this. Maruta, Agra and Evata. Mainpuri, Bulandar and Aligarh. Reign of Anup Parshar. You can just read it also if you like. So this is Rajasthan. This is the major places of war. And you can see here. So this is actually Rajasthan. What's it actually about? So just pause the video if you want to really read it. And this is a picture of it, what Rajasthan used to look like that time. Okay, so now let me show you another place. We're just gonna go there. So we'll wait. Okay, so now we're over here. And we'll look at this attack on the day of Bakri Eid. You can just read this thing. There's a picture also. Okay, and this is a smart monitor. Okay, so guys, you must have seen the monitor, and now I'll be showing you some other places like this trials, executions and exile, like how it used to like execute people and how if they're not like behaving well and all. So these are the people who got executed. Okay, so this used to be the letters which they used to write earlier, and this is a picture of it, and this is a capture of Delhi and how it was actually like. You can just look at this. So this is also another picture up till there. So this is 22nd September 1857. So here this is what they have done. We have to execute a vast number before we are done. Okay, so this is another place. And these are the clothes they used to wear. And this is 21st September 1857. And this is actually what happened. So, yeah. Look at this. And these are the traitors of Delhi. You can look here. And you can read this actually. See the picture. And this is the battles of Delhi. So, you can just read it actually. And I'm making this video because of to find out the history, because I'm actually in the Red Fort right now, and we're gonna see like many stuff and all, so that's why. Okay, so let me just show you this part. And now we're gonna go to another place, so we'll go there real quick. Okay, so guys, these are the guns of Delhi, and this is what it used to be like. You can look, these are the shotguns, rifles and all. So these are also the knives and these stuff. So this is really big pistols and all they used to make that time. These are rifles, and this is what they wrote here. Very historical stuff here. Look, these are about the guns and all. You can just see it. Yeah, okay. So now this is other stuff and all. And you can look at this also. And we are done with the museum, guys. So now next we'll be going to Qutub Minar and we'll be finding out new stuff to explore from. So we'll see you in Qutub Minar there. Goodbye.